kausapin niyo.
Happy birthday, Tita June! Take care, Tita June. God bless. Stay handsome. Pasalubong namin!
Uy!
Happy birthday!
Piala!
Ay, Tita June pala.
Matanda ka na, Tita June!
Uwi ka na!
Miss ka na namin dito. Tita June, size 7!
Nine!
Oh, yun na ba? Yun na. Yun na. Uncle June, happy birthday! Meron akong dinedicate na kanta sa'yo. Alam mo, anak? Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Uncle! Yun lang. June, happy birthday! Tanda mo na. Palagi ka lang mag-iingat dyan. Kamusta na rin pala saan nila, kila Kuya Rapsel, kila Mary. Ingat kayo dyan palagi. Sige, birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Tito June. Ingat ka lagi. God bless.
June, happy birthday! My birthday to comes. Ingat ka lagi dyan.
Happy birthday Kuya June! Kita mo to? Pang-araneta to. Meron na to mga yung mga malilit tayo dyan. Aantayin ka namin para ilaban yun. The best yun, the best. Pandin to. Okay na.
Hi, Titi June. Ay, June pala. Happy birthday! Ingat ka lagi dyan. Isipin mo yung mga dalawang anak mo. Maging, ka lang, stick to one ka lang. Happy birthday ulit! God bless!
June, happy birthday. Tanda mo na. Nagkakaputing buhok ka na. Baka nananakit na yung mga baywang mo. June, ingat lagi. God bless. Alam mo na, magkasayos tayo ng paa. Yun lang. Saka pabango ha. Salamat. Happy birthday ulit. June, happy birthday. Matanda ka na. Ano ba ang damo? Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Wala pa. Ulit.
Ha? To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Papa, happy birthday. I love you. Tapos na.
Mawag naman sobrang lakas. Sakay mo lang makuhaan mo eh. Pa? No? When I look at the mirror, I saw you. Photocopy? Pa, happy birthday. My wish for you is a good health, and always know that I love you from the bottom of our heart. Always be safe. I know God will always protect you. I miss you pa. Uwi ka na next year. Love you. Miss you.